We absolutely love Muskoka granite and just know that it will make a fab floor for our new Muskoka room. We can't wait to see how Kirby can take huge granite boulders and transform them into Canadian Shield flooring.
Every single thing we put in that cottage has got to be extra special. You keep a very tidy yard, Kirby. Good to see you, sir.
Yeah.
Talk about rockery shockery, wow!
That's your rock.
You're not serious.
I'm serious.
No!
It's here now. Do you remember?
Of course I remember.
Do you remember the day we bought it?
Oh,
Yeah, we're gonna cut it up like a slice of ham.
yay, like a cheese. That's also going to be the floor to our Muskoka room, Colin.
There's no pretense here, it's all the real thing. This totally rocks my world. Look at the size of that.
So this is gonna chew right through. We're gonna slice it up.
Sheesh, well, let's do it. Oh my gosh, it's quite ominous, isn't it? Look at it coming towards you. Oh my goodness.
It'll just drop ever so slightly, about 3/4 of an inch, and make it pass. It'll take about 20 minutes for it to process through that first slice.
Okay.
Just a thermalization process. We do it predominantly by hand, just so that we can pick out any sort of deformities ahead of time. It's a bit of our quality control.
So that's really smooth after it's come through your sewing machine.
Yeah.
And then the thermalization gives this slightly gritty, almost like sandpaper surface.
Yeah, so this would be good for an outdoor finish, right? But it'll also be good for the Muskoka room, so get a bit of slip resistance.
Sure. This has got such an incredible pedigree, and it's just so real and unsullied and pure. It's the world under our feet, literally. We're going to have the most beautiful floor in our Muskoka room, and it's classic Mother Nature's bounty.